If you have wide feet, you know how important it is for your shoes to fit comfortably without pressure points. The wide feet lacing method is perfect for shoes with 6 to 8 eyelets and is designed to relieve pressure and create extra space. Start by placing the shoe in front of you with the toe facing you. Thread the lace from the outside in through the bottom eyelets on both sides. The lace ends should be inside the shoe, creating a straight line across the bottom. Next, take both lace ends and cross them over. Thread them from the inside out through the next set of eyelets on the opposite side. Repeat the cross lacing, but this time, skip an eyelet on each side. Skipping these eyelets helps to create more room and reduces pressure on the widest parts of your feet. This is especially helpful if you find certain areas of your shoes too tight. Continue the cross lacing, again skipping an eyelet on both sides. This pattern maximizes pressure relief and ensures a comfortable fit. Now, you're ready to secure the laces with a closure. If you're using elastic laces, check out our guide for more details. To finish with elastic laces, use a twist capsule to secure the ends. It's a quick and easy way to keep your laces tight without the hassle of constant adjustments. For more information on different types of lace closures, visit our website